Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing the pet update that just released in Yeeps Hide and Seek. So after it finishes installing, I'll be able to play it today. So I'm very excited. Oh, there it is. Oh, look at that. It's like pets. It has all sorts of little princesses and stuff on them. It's pretty cool. I'll take a screenshot of that. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. I mean, my head does take a little while to load because it's not really that good right now. So, sorry if this takes a little bit to load.
Guys, no, if there's any hidden money reserves.
My private world before anything gets spoiled.
I did not just pump back.
Here we are, back in my world, Goober World. You know, let's see. All new pets have come to accompany your yeeps on adventures. Wherever to play, relax, or even cook, your pets are here to bring chaos and companionship wherever you go. Visit Pet Valley to adopt your first pet and cook for the hungry hippos. Okay. Alrighty, so first, I'm gonna get my dude quest done. Cause like, this is the update I'm spent all my money on. Let's quickly go see what the new bundle is. It's that thing. Okay. Alright, yeah. That's a pretty creepy bundle. I mean, like, ugh. I'm a helicopter. Oh, there we go. Easy. Let's go visit Pet Valley.
Ho, ho, ho!
Oh my god. Here's Mushroom Village. Pet Valley, Pet Valley, Pet Valley. Oh my. This map is crazy. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Sorry, King Bob. He will not. Oh, look, my stash. Oh, pets! Pets! I need them all. I need it. I need it. I need it. I need it. Except the chickens. Oh my god! Oh my god! I need to name you. I'm gonna name these guys after my IRL pets. So we got Ozzy. Yep. We got Ozzy. And we have my other one. Don't ask. Right? Hey there. So we got this one. We got this guy. And then we have this guy. Oh my god, that's so cutie. So cutie. Oh yeah, whoop. That one. Hey guys. Oh, yo, back away. Alright, where are you? Yo, we got Pancho. We got Shorty. Who are you? Oh, yeah, you. Yeah, I definitely know all my pets' names. Get it? Oh my god. So that was beautiful. Oh, still that same music. Still pretty cool. What's this thing do? Yeah, y'all probably not gonna catch that yet. Let's explore this house. W breaking and entering update. Breaking and entering update. You gonna go here? Oh, chop, chop, come here, come here, come here. In. Sleep. You too. What are you doing? What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? What are you doing, What are you doing, Poncho? Over here. Alright, while they're still sleeping there, I'm gonna go explore the rest of this map. Look at me. It's pretty cool. W update right here. Yo, it's awesome. Awesome sauce. Shop. Let's shop. Oh. W spending update. I like spending my money. 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 Chicken is crazy. That's all I'm gonna say. Chicken is crazy. Chicken is crazy. Oh, where'd they go? No one. Wait a minute. Yo, how'd you get out of bed? How'd you get out of bed? Tig, how'd you get out of bed? Also need a brush. Let's go. So, there's gotta be something in the wall, right? What does this do? Hold on, I gotta make sure. Sorry about this, man. Hold up. Stop. 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 Yo, you can just launch your pets into the stratosphere now. Oh wow. Oh wow, this is crazy. What do you want? Cheese? I don't know how to make cheese, but I'll try. Cheese. What do you need to make cheese? I think you need milk. Yeah, milk. Oh, oh. Yo! Yo, first one! First one! Thank you. As a reward, you don't get put in the fryer, but you do. Where'd the other one go? Who knows? Yo, as you through the wall. Yo, what? Oh. Oh, sorry about that. Oh. Okay. Go fetch me my thing. Okay, what is he waiting for? Go fetch me my thingy. No. Thanks. Thank you, I guess. just lost my mind. Sorry about that. Need a brown paintbrush? First tip of the day. Really fall for simplistic tricks. Look at me! Oh. Oh. Okay. This game is literally rigged. Whoever ate it. Okay. This is crazy. I'll go back down here. Alright. Let me try that again. Milk. Milk. But only in here. Yo, aren't you gonna make it? Cheese! I did it! I did it! I made cheese! I made cheese! You want cheese? Hooray! Eggs and bacon. Eggs and bacon. How do I make that? Like, of course we need an egg, like. Oh, what's in here? Okay, that's that there. I'm gonna take whatever this is. Okay. Egg. I need an egg. Something tells me we just put you in there. What do I do with this egg? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'll eat that. Don't eat that. Everybody conkling me. How do I get bacon? Is bacon even a thing? Do they even have pigs here? Do pigs exist? Yeah, bacon does exist. But where do I find it? Oh, bacon! Yep, thanks. Eggs don't crack, you gotta be kidding me. You say cooking while I look for bacon. Oh, bacon. Y'all better not eat that. Y'all better not eat that. Y'all better not eat that. Oh, there it is. Bacon. Kitchen safety 101. Turn everything on. Yeah, y'all can eat that. Y'all can eat that. Let's just put these two things in the oven. Oh. Okay. Can I fry myself? Let's try. Alright, I'm in. You gotta be. Oh, I need something in there first. I should put like one piece of lettuce in here. Yo, someone click cancel on this thingy. Yo, someone click cancel on this thingy. Oh crap, did I just cook myself? Yo, one of y'all has to push that button. Oh, let me try something. Yo. Yo, what the? I need to leave this lobby, I'm stuck in here. Ugh, that was bad. Sorry about that. You got too. It's true, like just. Sorry, you two get the right, and then he just, you know. Ugh, I don't even make it. How do I even make? Jeez. I don't want to remake it. Yeah, that was expected. You want to see? And then we wanted an egg. Or the egg. Oh, right. Skibbity. I'll let you. Yo, y'all better not eat that. Oh, is it up here? Oh. You gotta be kidding me. I need to cook the bacon. Alright, first the egg needs to be cooked. And you need to be, you know. No. Yeah, eat that. Eat that if you want it. Alright, I'll eventually get this. I know I have to, because, like, I want to. Oh! I can't even reach the bacon anymore. Alright, so you go in here. Along with you. No. Just for the hippos. What do you mean you want it again? Yeah, you gotta be kidding me. Fine, I'll make you your thing again. In. This stuff goes crazy. Put restraints on that pet, bro. Alright, we got it. Eggs and bacon and sausage. Yo, how do you not charge it? Yeah, make it easy. You want a chicken leg? I know how to make that. I know how to make a chicken leg. You get a piece of chicken. Here you go. I think it's that. Tastes pretty good, bro. Here comes. I think those are fries. You get a piece of potato. Can you go grab a potato? What? Yo, you still think that's good even though I didn't cook it, bro? Just wait until you see me what I actually can cook, bro. Ugh. I'm gonna go grab the potatoes through the vents. Who put the potatoes in the vents? I don't know. Should probably grab 2 potatoes just in case. Sorry. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, I want one of the fries. It was you, one of the fries? No. Yo, what do you mean that's not good enough? Yeah, I'm not even trying to make that. A sandwich? I'm gonna try to make that spaghetti. Spaghetti looks easy enough. First, I need to find the spaghetti. Where did I put the spaghetti? Oh, here we are. Yuck. Yeah, y'all can eat that. Oh, fries again? I can make you fries again. Easy. Go grab another potato. Green and fan. Yes, I did it! I did it! Now where do I put this? Where do I put this? Where do I put this? Oh, right here. Huh? Huh? I gotta do it again? Yo. Why? Hamburger or pizza or... Oh yeah, up there. Alright, what do you want? Hamburger? Yeah, I'm gonna make that. Guess we're making the hamburger. Alright, for hamburger, we're gonna need bread. We're gonna need some bread for the hamburger. Let's go get some bread. We need some. Boom! We're also gonna need some lettuce. Oh, I guess we're making pizza. We're gonna also need some tomato. Alfredo, tomato. Tomato? You made it tomato sauce. You where'd it go? Oh, okay, tomato sauce. Tomato sauce. Look, we just throw it in the oven now. With cheese, of course. Egg cheese, we just get this. No! Yo, what is he trying to grab? What are you gonna find in that corner, bro? Oh, thank you. I guess. Alright, we know how to make pizza-ish. How to make cheese. Cheese! See some tomato? No, 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 bad, no, no. You know, I'm gonna put them at the very top shelf right here. Look, Kirby. Or y'all is not getting my stuff. Yeah, where'd my cheese go? Oh, there we go. Let's make pizza. I think this is how you make it. I hate this game. Alright, let's try to make pizza one more time. Actually, I'm gonna just look at a guide online because I need it. I don't know how to make pizza at all. Ignore that. How I make pizza. 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 Pizza, 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 pizza. Tomato, cheese, and flour in the oven. Tomato, cheese, and flour in the oven. Tomato, cheese, and flour in an oven. Tomato. Tomato, cheese. How I make cheese, how I make cheese. Cheese. Yo, don't eat my cheese again, bruh. I need that cheese. I think this is how you said it makes pizza. Yes, I did it, I did it, I did it. I did it! I did it. I made pizza. I think. Yes. Open. Oh, it has pepperoni on it. I need also. I also need pepperoni on it. Why? Why wasn't it the first thing that popped up? Oh, hey, you might need a tomato. Tomato. I swear if this makes bad. Okay, it made bad. It was oh, it's a sausage. It's a sausage. Okay, okay, okay. So we need this too. That. Also need cheese. And the other thing I need was flour. Don't you dare eat my... Don't you dare eat it. Don't you dare eat it. Yeah. But sometimes... There you go. This is no longer about the things. Pepperoni pizza, we did it, we did it, we did it. Huzzah, huzzah, huzzah. Oh, I opened the door. You can just have that. No. Here you go. Buttcoin stash. Oh my god. All that for this room. Is there anything any... yeah, there's not even anything special in here. Oh, this update was pretty crazy, guys. But like, I gotta go now. So see y'all. I'll probably upload this video tomorrow, which is today for you guys. Because I gotta make a thumbnail first. So see y'all, everyone. Bye. I hope y'all had a good time watching me cook and make barely anything. So like, yeah, see ya. Bye.